Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to start a new chapter of science, that is chapter 10, reaching the age of adolescence. You can see on the board. Now, in this class, we will discuss about what is endocrine system, what is gland, and what are the major gland present in the human body that functions and control the various body parts. Okay, so let us see. First one, what is adolescence? Adolescence. Okay, the period from childhood, the period from childhood to the adulthood, the period from childhood to the adulthood is called adolescence. Is called adolescence. Okay, so once again, what is adolescence? The period from childhood to the adulthood is called adolescence. Okay, now in your book given what are hormones and what are glands and what is endocrine system. So let us see what are hormones. Hormones are the chemicals that are synthesized, in the body, synthesized in the body of organism, in the body of organisms, and it controls as well as regulates various organs and cells in the body, as well as regulates various organs like you can say eye, like head, like chest. Okay, like various body part like testis, like ovary. Okay, organs are cells called hormones. So once again, what are hormones? You can see the chemicals that are synthesized in the body of the organism, like you can say human. Okay, and it controls as well as regulates the various organs, as various organs or cells called hormones. Okay, and these hormones secreted from a special part of the body known as glands. The special structure through which hormones secreted, you can say released, called glands. Okay, called glands. Okay, so what are hormones? Hormones are the chemicals that are inside in the human body, or you can say organism, and it controls as well as regulates various cells or organs in the body. Okay, and these hormones secreted from, you can say released from a special part or a special structure in the body of the organism, that is known as the glands. And hormones secreted from a specialized gland known as endocrine glands, and the various endocrine glands form an organ system in the human body that is known as endocrine system. You can say a number of glands constitutes a special organ system in the human body that is known as endocrine system. Okay, so let us see what is endocrine system. Endocrine system is a special organ system formed by combination of the various endocrine glands. These glands secrete these chemicals that is known as hormones. So let us see what is endocrine system. endocrine system. Okay, the organ system in the human body that consists of various endocrine glands that secrete hormones known as endocrine system, and the function of this system to secrete the hormones, and these hormones regulates and controls the various body parts. Okay, and there are a number of endocrine present in the endocrine glands present in the human body, but that endocrine gland given in your book, these four, that is first one given pituitary gland, okay, first one given pituitary gland, second one given thyroid gland, okay, and third one given the adrenal gland, and fourth one given, that is gonads, that is testis and ovary, testis and ovary, testis and ovary collectively known as gonads. Okay, testis present in the only in the human male, and ovary present in the human female. Okay, and you know the main hormone secreted from testis is testosterone, and the ovary is estrogen. Now let us see the position. Pituitary gland present in the brain region. Brain part also known as master gland because it regulates a number of the body organs. Thyroid gland present in the throat region, or you say neck region. Adrenal gland present at the upper surface of kidney. This is the position of the endocrine gland. Okay, and gonads, testis present in the human male, and ovary present in the human female. Okay, now let us see the detail about pituitary gland. Okay, the pituitary gland secretes the two main hormones, that is gonadotropin GH, and second one is the thyroid stimulating hormone. So what are the two major hormones secreted from the pituitary gland? The first one is the growth hormone or GH, you can say. Growth hormone or GH, you can say, it is given in your book. Okay, growth hormone, and second one thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH. Okay, so there are two major gland hormones secreted from. First one is known as the growth hormone. Growth hormone, also known as somatotropins. Okay, and second one is known as TSH. TSH stands for thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone, also known as TSH. Okay, so what is the function of growth hormone? It helps in the growth or height of the organism. Okay, and deficiency of this hormone causes a disease known as dwarfism. Deficiency of the hormone causes a disease in humans known as dwarfism, that is given in your book. Okay, and thyroid stimulating hormones acts on the thyroid gland to secrete the thyroid hormones. So what are the two main hormones secreted from pituitary gland? The answer will be growth hormone and thyroid stimulating hormone. Growth hormone are also known as somatotropins. Okay, somatotropins help in the height or increasing the height of the organism, and deficiency of this hormone causes a disease in human known as dwarfism. And thyroid stimulating hormones controls or you can say stimulates thyroid gland to secrete the thyroid hormones. Why pituitary gland is called master gland? Because it controls a number of organs in the human body. The hormones of these glands control the various organs in the human body, so it is also known as the master gland. Okay, so this is all about the pituitary gland. In the next class, we will discuss about the remaining endocrine glands and their hormones. Thank you.